guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I've got a package from the Geeks for Geeks team. So let's unbox this. So basically like I participated in the technical content writer event 2022, and in that I got some I got in the 50th less than 50th rank. So I got this prize. So let's unbox this. Yeah, so let's just unpack this package and let's see what we have inside. Yeah, so let's see what we have. So first we have some uh, pamphlet oil, and I think this is a noise watch. Yeah, so I got this watch. This is a smart watch, and we'll unbox this and let's see what we have. Another thing, so basically it is a pamphlet for a technical content writer, or yeah, so it's time to give away. So like if I will share this photo of this this gift, so like I will be eligible for a gaming chair. So we'll do that later. Let's see this watch. So it is of noise, and let's unbox this also. I think the model is Color Fit Pulse, and the same watch I got in my previous technical scripter event. So in that also I got that same type of watch. So now let's see the what we have inside it. Alright, so this is the watch, and here is the watch, and here are some stickers from Noise and some written materials. Let's see the watch and what else we have inside that. So first open like this, and yeah, the color of the strap is also gray, and I think this is the same watch that I got in the previous event. You can check that same video also, and I've uploaded on YouTube also. I will give that link to in the description also, so you can directly go and check it out. So yeah, guys, that is all that I got from Geeks for Geeks. I've already made the video on how you can contribute to Geeks for Geeks, and you can write technical content on the platform. I will make another video soon on like how you can participate in these events and how you can also get these prizes. So thank you again, Geeks for Geeks, for sending me this.